Hello, hello everyone. We continue here. We'll be strong. I am strong. I am strong. I am strong. Yeah. Because I thinking about what do you do the future? What happen in the future? Almost in pair, maybe 5 hours to the pair, but right now I live in something in the middle. Maybe 500 kilometers to pair is almost there. I was in Esperance, very nice place, very beautiful place, and the one beach, the name Lucky Bay, beautiful, amazing, incredible. From my perspective, my opinion, I think this beach is the best, one to the three best beach in Australia, because I know it. I know Byron Bay, I know Gold Coast, I know the Anna Bay, I know Nelson Bay, I know too many beaches in Australia. I know the beach in Melbourne, Adelaide, and right now in Western Australia. And this beach, this has something special, something magic. This beach. When I was there, it just too much rain. Nevertheless, I like it. It's fine. I like it because look like because they big rocks, the huge rocks in the middle to the sea, in the ocean. So look like to Thailand, Indonesia, something like that. Look, this beach look like something like that. And that's it.